This tutorial explains the basic simple search functionality. Before you execute a search, you need to decide which libraries should be included in your search request. You have three types of libraries: your personal libraries, where you have all your different folders included based on special topics. You have shared libraries. These are the libraries colleagues have shared with you. And you can have network libraries like corporate libraries for general information. So in this example, we will just use all libraries here. Once you have selected the libraries, all search results will be blended into one final list where you will get all results in. So once the libraries are selected, in this example we will just use all. You can blend this out for easy viewing here. Then to start a simple search, you need the query put into this field here. So let's start with the most basic search here. You just enter your search term and Noggle will just present the search results in a list. The important thing is that everything is sorted by a ranking score. So the documents found are not just sorted because security is in the document. It's sorted because of this query has the most score based on the document you found. I mean, so this is important that you get a ranked list of documents. To get a more readable list, you can then start to sort the list on basic principles. You can have the full ranking. You can have them sorted by date. You can have them sorted by owner, as you have different colleagues which have shared libraries with you. And then just check the documents from one special contact person. You can have sorted them by type. So you can structure them by all Word documents here, or you can sort them by year. So you see which document was created in which year. So and then browse this way. So this is a general functionality of how to sort the results. Let's go ahead with the general ranking here. So for sure the query you put in is the most important thing here. So for example, let's add some other terms. So this request now will look for documents which have the term security, business and data within the context, the full text context. So this is an OR search. So it will search for documents which have the term security or business or data in. So and then build the ranking based on the amount of these three words are in there. If you want an AND search, so you want only documents which have security and business and data, just put a plus in front of it. And now you have an AND search. So only documents which have all three words or terms in the document will now be presented here. So this is important if you do an AND search. So yeah, even though there is no priority in which term is most important for you. So if you now want to influence the ranking score, for example, let's say you're especially looking for security related issues related to data topics. Now you can boost documents which have the term data in it with this special sign here. So if you put this sign beside the word data, so all documents which have data will be boosted by a factor of 10 in regards to the ranking score. So if I now execute this request, you will see that the ranking list result will change now. So you see that now documents which have data and business and security are more important than documents which have only data and business one time. So you see now it comes more closely maybe to what I'm looking for if I'm looking for data related security, business security issues here. So this is boosting some terms in regards to the scoring, and you can see now that the ranking scores are more in the area what I'm just looking for. So this is important to have an AND request and boosting special terms in regards to the ranking. So you can also start to add combined terms. So if I'm looking especially for the topic big data, so I will add that I want only data related business security issues in relation to big data terms in the document here. So now it shows up POPs document which are quite directly related to this topic here. So one started with the general term security, now it comes more closely to the special topic I'm looking for. So, and now I can start to browse the documents, and we'll see here on the right-hand document view just highlighting the search terms I've requested here. So now I have issued a more specific search request, and for sure can now start to sort it and just check out the PowerPoint presentation, which are based on business security issues with special relation to data and have the big data topic in their term. So for example, this is running overall document types here. So you can add additional filter now. So if you only want to search PDF documents, you will just limit your search if you just use the headlines here. So if you will limit it to the type of PDF, you just type plus PDF, plus type, and then you can limit it that you only want the PDF to be shown. So now the search is only looking for PDF documents here. So the only results you get are now limited to PDF, and you can also do limit to PowerPoint or whatever you like. So this is how the basic search works here. However, there are some other special topics in which I also wanted to mention, which are called a fuzzy search. So for example, the tool is called noggle. So if you execute on noggle, you will find here my documents in my libraries around this contact here. But often maybe you just write something wrong in the search request. So if I just execute it with noggle, it will find nothing because it's misspelled here in this case. But you can execute a fuzzy search. So if you add this sign here at the end of the word, then it will execute a fuzzy search. So, and you will see that even if I enter the wrong word here, it will now pop up the correct search results. So it's a very powerful search, which is not only correcting the word to one word, so it's a fuzzy search now executing, and you see I now have again these documents on noggle, even if I wrote noggle. So this is the fuzzy search. And final search is if you're looking for terms, for example, business transformation. Keep in mind, this is an or search, so the words business or transformation are now pointed out. If you only want to look for the combined term business transformation, put it in this brackets here. So now only documents with the special term business transformation will be pushed out. You see here that this word must be in combination exactly as given. But often you're looking for documents where business and transformation might be in a space of or a distance of about 10 to 20 words. So they don't need to be exactly beside each other. So, and therefore you can also add this now, which means that the words business and transformation might be in a range or a distance of around 30 words. So this now executes. Now you can combine these topics here and digital transformation with relation to security, plus security, and we want to boost documents with the topic digital transformation by the factor of 20. Digital transformation, where the words digital and transformation are not placed longer than 30 words away from each other, and the document has a high correlation to the topic security. So now the list is sorted here by the scoring factor that you will see the documents here on top, which fit exactly to your search request.